Hello, this is Tannen Auto Electronics again. Today we're removing an instrument cluster from a 1996 Ford Mustang. The customer is having issues with the trip meter and the odometer meter. He is saying that both of them don't move, and which is a very common problem from 1994 to 1999 Ford Mustangs. They have two gears that usually are brittle and then break because of age. Our repair service replaces them both with brand new gears. We generally don't see any other issues other than the printed circuit board connections start to get damaged over time. But we haven't seen that happen very often. But if they do happen, give us a call first and we can talk about your instrument cluster and we can go from there. This removal and installation it doesn't have too many parts, but it does have this dimmer switch that needs to be removed in order for this trim panel to come off. Once those two items are removed, it just has 4 T11 screws, and the instrument cluster should come off. The things you're going to need is a flathead, a small flathead screwdriver, and then just a trim removal tool, as well as a T11 screwdriver like this one. To start, there's going to be 2 screws on this dash part. There's going to be one there and one there. They're going to be T11 screws. So you just want to remove those before doing anything else. To remove the dimmer switch, you're going to pull it outward like that, and then you're going to turn it clockwise until you see a little slot and then a small metal piece. So there's the slot, and then the metal piece is going to be closer to the front of the dimmer knob, and I will show it once I have it removed. But you basically just want to get a small tool or a flathead and push outward from the dash. So you're going to push towards this part of the dimmer switch or the dimmer knob. So you just want to get your flathead and then insert it where the metal part is, and then just push straight out. When you're pushing, then you want to get the knob and push it carefully to the same direction. So maybe use one hand to push it and then the other one to pull the knob. You just want to make sure that you feel that metal part, that resistance, and it's basically aligning the metal part with the shaft inside. Once you have removed the dimmer knob, the trim piece should be able to come off. And then again, I use a plastic removal tool like this one, and then just went around and pry it out. It does have some tabs on the lower left and right of it, so just carefully just pry it out. And after that, it's just come straight out. So here's a closer look at the dimmer knob. All you're doing is just pressing on that metal piece, and you're just pressing towards the dimmer switch itself, or dimmer knob, and once you do that with enough pressure, you should be able to just pull it straight out of the shaft. Once you have removed the plastic bezel, there are going to be 4 T11 screws. They're going to be a darker color. One is going to be in the right lower and top part, and then the left top and lower corner right there. Don't get them confused with the gold instrument cluster lens screws, which are those gold colored Torx screws. You don't need to remove those, just the 4 larger screws. Once you have removed all 4 screws, you want to kind of slide the cluster from the bottom like this, and then you're gonna put your hand through that opening right there and disconnect it has two ribbon cables, one on the left and one on the right. Let me see if I can get a good angle. So all you want to do is press the tab on top and then just pull away from the cluster like that. Once you have both connectors removed, you can just slide the cluster out. Here I have the instrument cluster removed. It has 2 connectors, a black one and a white one, but the color can vary depending on the year range. Here's the clip. All you have to do is just pull it down and then pull the connector out. Here I have the instrument cluster removed from the vehicle. Once you have it removed, you can ship it to us. Just make sure it's well packaged and has bubble wrap covering all sides of the instrument cluster. Usually we see that if they're not packaged correctly, mounting tabs get broken or the instrument cluster lens gets cracked. Since these are very old clusters, it may be hard to find parts, so it's better just to package it well and ship it to us, and we will repair the odometer and trip meters of your instrument cluster. Thank you.